What's going on, y'all? It's a beautiful, mildly temperate March day, early spring, 10:35 a.m. on a Wednesday. Just wanted to let y'all in on kind of what's going on with the channel, with the cars and me. I know only a certain amount of y'all consistently watch everything I put out, and that's fine. I think at time of recording I have like 570 subscribers, which isn't earth-shattering, but considering I've only been doing this since September and it's now March, I think that's pretty good. I have no disillusions that y'all are watching any of this for me, and the video numbers speak for themselves. Y'all are here for the 69 Charger and the 71 and the potentiality of me working on some of these other old Chryslers, and that's fine. I get it. You're here for the cars. If it wasn't for the cars, I mean, who would want to sit here and watch me do anything? But it's still pretty cool that 500 some of y'all care enough to want to see what I'm doing with these old cars and trucks and whatever else I'm working on. I know the videos have been kind of sparse lately, especially on the General Lee. I've been busy, and I'm about to be a whole lot busier. I've joined some time back the North Carolina Army National Guard, and Monday, so less than a week from now, I will be leaving for 5 months-ish for training. I'm not going anywhere. I'll be back. I'm coming back. I'll be back at the end of summer, and we'll resume business as usual, back on these cars, back on doing what I love. And I have some videos lined up to automatically upload while I'm gone. Not many, like maybe one a month while I'm gone, on various things. One or two are pertaining to the General Lee, and the others are just kind of this and that. So if the quality's kind of slipping or the content is not exactly what you were hoping for or wanting, I'm sorry. I just kind of when I got my ship date, it was like a month out from this coming Monday, so I didn't have much time to get stuff together. To be quite honest with you, I still have a lot of editing to do before I leave Monday. So bear with me, please. And I just want you to know that those of y'all that come back consistently to watch what I'm doing, I appreciate you so much. So much. And the connections I've made through this, like Steven Smart over at Old Post Auto, go check him out. He does a lot of similar things that I do with old Chryslers and other things. It's just awesome. And my buddy Jason, you know who you are. Sorry I can't pronounce your last name. And both of those guys are retired Army / National Guard that are also doing Mopar stuff now. So both of those dudes have been kind of a help and inspiration to me all the way around. So nothing's gonna change long term. I will be back, and I will be back working on these cars. Time will fly by. I'll be back before you know it. All I'm asking is, bear with me, because I will be back and working on these cars again. It's going to kill me, obviously, being away from my friends and family for so long. But it's also going to kill me not turning wrenches and grinding and welding on something for that long too. Just learning the ins and outs of soldering. But hey, it's what I signed up to do. Again, I just want to let you all know I appreciate each and every one of you so much. And I just wanted to let you know I'm not gone. I'm not being lazy. Just life circumstances right now is what it is. So that's that. This is going to be just kind of a raw, unedited, here it is, informational piece. So I've got to go hit the gym, and I got to get some more stuff done around here and get on the computer and get to editing. So y'all take it easy. God bless you. God bless America. And take it easy. We'll see ya.